So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to deactivate Zoho campaigns on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website and log into your account right here. Now select profile icon and now go with access Zoho CRM. Now select the settings icon right here and go with Zoho. Now scroll down and you guys will find out this Zoho campaign section. Now select its manage button and you can see this deactivate button right here. Now select it and it will show you two options. You can either disable your account or deactivate your account right here. So guys, choose wisely, and after that you just need to select your option from one of these two. So guys, after choosing your option, now select this red button right here, and after that you guys have successfully deactivated your Zoho campaigns on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.